In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to audit history in Xero. We'll walk through accessing the history and notes activity so you can see exactly who changed what and when, filter it to the period and people you care about, and export the results for your records. First, open your browser and go to Xero.com. Once you're in your Xero organization, the audit trail we're using is built right into the platform, so there's no extra setup required. Next, open the accounting menu and choose history and notes. This takes you to a log of activity across your organization, including creations, edits, approvals, and other key actions. Think of this as your source of truth when you need to confirm timing or accountability. Start by setting the date range. Use the start and end date fields to define the period you want to inspect, whether that's this month, last quarter, or a custom span. If you're not sure when a change happened, begin with a wider window. You can always narrow it down once you spot the event, then refine the results with filters. Choose the specific user if you want to see actions taken by a particular team member, and select the type of activity to focus on items such as invoices, bills, bank reconciliation, contacts, or settings. Combining user and type helps you zero in on what matters and avoid scrolling through unrelated entries. When your filters are set, click Apply. The list refreshes to show only the matching activity. Each line will display the date and time, the user, the action taken, and the affected record. Skim the descriptions to understand exactly what changed, and use consistent date ranges if you need to compare periods side by side. If you need to share or store the results, click Export at the top right. Choose your preferred format and save the file to a secure location. Exports are great for auditors, management reviews, or backups of your compliance documentation. If you plan to analyze the data, exporting to a spreadsheet makes it easy to sort and pivot by user or action. With these filters and the export, you can confidently audit history in Xero. Remember to review the time zone settings for accurate timestamps, keep permissions limited to those who need access, and retain exported reports according to your company's policy. That's all there is to it. Go to Xero, open history and notes, set your dates and filters, apply, and export when needed. Thanks for watching and happy auditing.